Welcome back, grade 9s. Let's quickly do a few sums regarding algebraic expressions. Welkom terug, graad 9s. Kom ons doen 'n paar sommetjies uit ons algebraïse uitdrukking hoofstuk. Kom ons kyk na nommer 1. Nommer 1 is substitutie. Substitution. Meaning, if I tell you that x equals minus a half and y equals 4, and I ask you to calculate 2 times x times y, what will you do? As x gelyk is aan minus 'n half en y is gelyk aan 4 en ek vra vir jou bereken 2xy, hoe sal ons te werk gaan? When we substitute in brackets. So see that I'm replacing my x and my y with little placeholders. Ek vervang vir my x en my y met hakkies, want dis my plekhouertjies, en nou gaan ek my x waarde in my x se plek sit. See that I write the value of x in the place of x, and the value of y in the place of y. And now I'm going to calculate. 2 times minus a half gives me minus 1 times 4, and minus 1 times 4 gives me minus 4. Hierdie is substitutie. You know that already because you've done that in grade 8, so we're going to revise that quickly. Remember, if we substitute in brackets. Grade 9s, if we want to add things or subtract things, they must be exactly the same. As ons terme bymekaar wil tel of van mekaar wil aftrek, moet hulle identies wees, gelyksoortig, like terms. So if you look at that 2 terms, they are not like. Why? Because there's 2 m's and 1 n. And in the next one, there's 2 n's and 1 m. So they are not subtractable because they are not the same. We cannot add and subtract things that's not the same. And you can clearly see that those two are not the same. Let's look at this one. That's number 2. Let's look at number 3. Now we've got a point, and a point means multiplication. Dis 'n vermenigvuldigingssommetjie. So kom ons gaan eers die 2 behoort aan alles in die hakies. Onthou, dit was eksponentwet nommer 4. Exponent law number 4, that 2 belongs to each and everything within the bracket, and we multiply it when there's a bracket between them. So that is exponent law number 4. So 2 times 2 gives you 4x to the power of 14 multiplied with x to the power of 14, and that's exponent law number 1. If we multiply, we add exponents. So that's 14 plus 14, and that gives me 28. Kom ons gaan kyk nou hierdie enetjie. Hier het ek, daar staan niks voor die hakies nie, maar as ek niks sien in wiskunde nie, staan daar altyd 'n 1. So there's a little 1 that I can't see. I can insert it there, and I can multiply the 1 into the bracket. So ek het minus 1 maal m kwadraat is minus 1m kwadraat. Minus times a minus gives a plus 3n. Now, if you look at these 2 terms, grade 9s, are they the same? Does they look the same? No, definitely not. That one is an m and an n, and that one is an m and an n. Not the same. So can I add them? No. I can just add like terms, and those 2 is unlike terms. Okay, let's do the last 2 examples. grade 9, the last two examples. Now we've got a division sum over here, and when we've got a division sum, 'n deelsom, gaan skryf ons die deler, the numerator, the denominator. We're going to write underneath every term. So watch me doing this. Ek gaan die deler onder elke term skryf. So ek gaan hierdie sommetjie opbreek. See what I'm doing? I'm breaking it up. And I'm going to write this minus 3ab, that is my number of my denominator under each term. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm breaking it apart. So now I can cancel. I can say, there's a minus, but there's a plus that I can't see. So the answer of that thing will be a minus, because a plus divided by a minus gives a minus. 3 goes 3 times into 9. So 3 kan 9 maal in 3 ingaan. There's 1a that cancels with 1a. So there's only 1a left at the top. And 1b cancels with 1b. So the answer of this thing is minus 3a. I've got a minus over there, so let's see. A plus divided by a minus gives a minus. I can put it in brackets. Then 3 goes into 18 6 times. Good. There's 1a that cancels with 1a. There's 1b that cancels with 1b, but there's another b left. So now I've got minus 6b. When there's a minus next to a minus, it means multiplication. As daar minus langs 'n minus is, beteken dit maal. En 'n minus maal met 'n minus gee vir ons 'n plus. A minus next to a minus gives a plus. The question is now, kan ons hierdie twee bymekaar tel? Can we add those two? No. Why not?
Because they are not the same.
They are not the same. That's an apple and that's a banana. See? They cannot go together. Okay, let's do this one. The cube root of 64. Cube root means as ek ietsie 3 maal met homself maal. If I multiply something 3 times to itself, it must give me 64. So if I take 4, I've got 4 times 4, it gives me 16, times 4 gives me 64. So the cube root of 64 equals 4. And if I want to get the cube root of y to the power of 12, I simply divide the 3 into the 12. I take that 3 and I divide it into that exponent. So my answer will be 4y to the power of 4. Wanneer ek die derde magswortel van 64 kry, wat maal wat gee vir my 64 en dit is 4. Wanneer ek die derde magswortel van 'n eksponent wil kry, dan deel ek 3 in hom in. En 12 gedeel deur 3 gee vir my 4. That's it then for today, grade 9s. Do your homework, practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.